Hello, welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the salary negotiation which needs to be done from the software testers or from the automation testers as SDETs. So how to negotiate the salary with the recruiters or with the hiring team. So it becomes very essential that after cracking the interviews or before you start giving the interviews, you should come on the same page to discuss the salary perks, the benefits, and the fixed, the variable, all those kind of things. So we would be looking into the detail in this particular video. But before that, I would request all of you who are watching this video for the very first time, please like, share, and subscribe our channel and hit on the bell icon so that you get all these notifications of the content that is uploaded. Let's understand now how to negotiate the salary. See, negotiating a salary is very important. Many a times you might be feeling that should I negotiate, or as a recruiter, he or she is asking so many questions. So that's fine, right? See, you have to shift that mindset. If someone is asking you cross questions, if you feel negotiating is a bit difficult, then don't give negative vibes. Don't tell negative to the recruitment team or to the hiring managers, because they are also doing their own jobs. They are also professionals, right? They are being made for this particular discussion only. You are made for automation testing. You are made for finding defects, but they are made to negotiate these things. So you have to respect them. You have to have a positive mindset while you are talking to them. Because if you are negative in your mind, if you feel you are, uh, if you feel they are not on your side, or if you feel they are trying to make you work for the less amount, then at the max, what you can do, you don't accept the offer, right? It's as simple as that. But don't spread negativity, because it might happen in the future. You might have to join that company. So don't say any ill things to them. Okay, let's negotiate. Let's understand this thing first. Okay, first of all, the very first thing that I would like to give you this tips is about don't say the number first. And don't worry, this entire document I would be uploading on the document and it would be available to you. So you can avail it. Don't say a number first. Let the employer quote first. If you are pushed, give them a range. If you are telling the number, let's say you are telling a number, for example, 12x, right? Many of the people these days, they are looking for a salary of 12x, right? Because of the new tax structure that has come in the market. So if you are telling that number, then it's fine. But if at that max, you try to go with the range, for example, 10 to 15, right? Who knows that the company's budget is to pay you 14.5, but if you tell 12, then they will give you only 12 LP, right? If you are being pushed, then you have to give a range, minimum and the maximum. And that lowest number is acceptable minimum, right? That should be the number. Okay. Then you have to research the companies, right? You have to do a thorough research. There are many websites on which you would be able to see the salaries, and you can compare the salaries. For example, one is layoffs.fyi, one is Fishbowl, right? All these companies, all these websites are there in which you can compare the salary, what you are being offered, along with the market, with what the people are being given. Use other offers as leverage. So you have to be honest, right? Don't play secretive games. Don't play detective games with the recruitment team, right? Leverage those offers. You have already offer of, let's say, 15 LP. Okay. Then till that another offer came, but I would like to work with your organization if you give me this particular amount, right? You have to make that numbers work for you. Okay. Number game is very important here. Okay. Negotiate all the compensation components. Don't focus on base alone. Many a times we focus on the entire package, and then we come to know, oh, this was a part of the variable that I would be getting at the end of the year. What if I leave the company in 6 months? What if I leave the company in 9 months? What if I leave the company 15 months? What kind of variable payment would I be eligible for? Right. So those all things are very important. Just your package, just the number is not important. You have to push for the upper range if you see the component of the variable is more than the fixed. Try to have a more, sorry, try to have a more number with respect to your base salary, with respect to your fixed salary, right? Signing bonus, relocation bonus, equity, performance bonus, stocks, very important things. If you get some stocks, avail it, because you never know. Tomorrow that stock might go up to 2x, 3x. You never know. right? So avail those things, discuss those things during the salary negotiation. Stay collaborative, right? I'm hoping we could get a bit closer to X. Is there a room to flex, right? This kind of statements you have to keep. Never accept on the call. Always take time to evaluate, right? Thank you so much. I would love to take a little time to look over everything, right? These things are very important. Final offers are rarely final. So respectful final nudge can help, right? Totally understand. Just checking if there is any flexibility before I make a final call. So you make your final call, but before that, you connect with them and you make sure that this is the final number that you are going to get. Because after that, there should not be any to and fro. And if you should also not do increase your number after that, because see, there is a limit to professionalism, right? You have to follow that professionalism. Okay. Then let's see the other aspect. Okay. And how you will communicate. So you will communicate according to my research, or you can use these statements based on market trends. I asked around with my connection that this is the amount. So you can use those kind of things. Now, which are the tools and methodologies that you can use to explore these salary things? So one is labels.fyi, then there is blind, then there's lead code discuss, Reddit, right? These all things are there for doing your research with respect to salary negotiations, right? And some of the pro tips that I would like to give it to you is you have to check forums and communities, right? You have to always negotiate even for a good offer, right? Don't act clueless. Be polite, but assertive, right? These are very important pro tips. And if you follow these things, it would definitely assist you in your salary negotiation, right? So if you feel that still you're not able to take the decision, then book a call with us on the top mate. We would be available to connect with you. We would be happy to assist you and we would compare the salary structure with, we will be happy to have that kind of contribution in your important decision making, right? Thank you so much for watching this video and stay tuned for more updates.